try. She ain't even try. What up?
What's up?
Welcome back to Wilson for Real. Shout out to the Real Squad.
Squad up.
And today is
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Wilson's for Real.
That's right. Don't forget to do that. All that stuff. So today we got tacos.
Tacos and a few nachos in the back.
A few nachos in the back. Is loaded with jalapenos. I got my 2-time spicy. Coldest water's not in the building, but Members Mark is. And then Nestle.
Yep.
We in this thing. Hold on, let me say Grace, man. Grace. All right. Let me put my little sauce on so we can do our little thumb nizzle. Couple of little drips. I learned my lesson from last time.
Mm-hmm.
If y'all hear some noise in the background, them the kids. We quarantining. And they just having a good time. And it's all good. It's all gravy, baby. LaChrissa's annoyed by it, but I'm not. Doesn't bother me at all.
I guess.
It really doesn't. It really doesn't bother me.
Are we doing a thumbnail?
Mm-hmm. You know I was finna do that. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Taco tour. Any of y'all doing tacos too? Did y'all eat tacos on Tuesday?
I did.
You did?
Yup.
Oh, eating right now. Eating tacos right now.
On Taco Tuesday.
Yeah. Shout out to everybody that hit a milestone this week. 1K subscriber, 500 subscriber, 100 subscriber, 2K,
1.22.
You feel me? Shout out to ya. Keep grinding.
Mm-hmm.
And so, one thing LaChrista noticed on YouTube, some channels that wasn't mukbanging starting to mukbang.
Yeah, like if they was doing vlogs, they mukbanging now.
They mukbang. They coming over to the mukbang community.
Some people that was doing skits, they mukbanging.
And a few people said they not getting alerts when people go live or when people post a video. They ain't been getting alerts. Have you been having that issue?
Mm-hmm. I get the same alerts.
It's like an alert rotation.
Mm-hmm.
So now they got an algorithm for alerts now.
Might be. Whatever you watch the most, you get.
You get a alert.
Mm-hmm.
But it's some people I watch a lot. I ain't getting that a lot.
True.
It's crazy. Crazy. The young one is really having a good time. I'm giving y'all an insight on what it sounds like in our house. What's up with you?
No.
I'm just chilling.
Mm-hmm. Hungry.
I know. We've been doing a real good job of not eating out.
No more eating out.
I think we're creating a new habit. It's becoming the new normal.
Go buy the ingredients. I forgot you can't talk that much.
Okay.
When you eating taco stuff, you'll choke.
Oh yeah. It'll scar you. It'll scar your throat tissue up.
Buy the ingredients that you need to make your dish.
Mm-hmm. Hey Logan, you a little loud. you like tell them something and then they still try to sneak they little whatever they want to say.
Yep.
How you think virtual learning was today?
Good.
Y'all kids got virtual learning out there?
Or they just did packets?
Our kids got a chance to, well, one of our children, our child, got a chance to interact with his teacher, which I thought was pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
They keeping them busy.
We establishing another routine. I'm like, y'all at least gotta wake up by 9 o'clock.
Hey, y'all, she woke up this morning on a mission. You'd have thought these kids missed a bus. Get up! Get up right now! We are supposed to be logged on to the online academy.
Whatever.
She was being responsible though. Shout out to her. It was just funny. Like I helped get them up too, but it was just it was funny hearing her go nuts like a drill sergeant.
Cause it's like if they gotta be online with their teacher at 11, at least wake up at 9:30 so you can eat breakfast.
I got scared.
And then
I'm like, yeah. What we doing? It's a drill? Nah, it was cool though.
And they was ready.
Had they little cup, like they looked like they had cups of coffee.
They had cups of orange juice.
I thought it was cool though. Shout out to the district. I went outside for a little bit today.
Outside.
What you about to say? But I didn't mean to cut you off.
Oh, we got some interesting mukbangs coming up this week. Homemade.
Subs. Why go to Subway when you can go to My Way? I'm gonna like slice it and everything. We got some little hoagie bread, some real sub bread.
We got a homemade Chinese food coming up.
Homemade Chinese food.
Everything gonna be homemade. I'm gonna be nervous about it for a couple months. I ain't gonna lie.
Even after they give us the green light to go back out.
People gonna be right at the club.
And so what are they actually waiting on to get a green light? Are they waiting on the peak number? Or they waiting on everything to flatten? And
it ain't flatten, it's going up.
TJ, what you need?
So if they don't get it to flatten, they're gonna have to keep being on quarantine.
We said be quiet and don't come down here. That's what we said. So go back upstairs or your stuff gonna be taken.
That's exactly what I said.
Parenting, live parenting. That's how you parent. You let them know. You put the check down. And then they got back left.
Yep.
Well, yeah, we got some different little mukbangs coming. I actually might do a video of me making my homemade sub step by step. Camera woman might help me out. You ain't gonna control the camera? That's what I'm saying. And then I control the camera when you making something. All you gotta do is film my hands.
Yep.
Film my hands and then I do the talking. But man, being at the crib is pretty decent. I did rejoice today when I got a chance to go to the grocery store.
I might not need to go this week.
I think I did pretty good.
Yeah.
Filling in the gaps.
Yep.
I think we got enough water. We got hella water.
I'll be like, every time you go, get a case of water.
I follow directions. That's what you told me to do.
At least one case.
Yeah, we got plenty.
Yeah, we got plenty.
I filled in every gap. Cause you know, I'm running a little slow on some stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You scratched the mess out of me. She scratched me, y'all.
My bad. But yeah, they gotta flatten the curve in order for it to be lifted. That's what China did, and they lifted theirs. Like they had days where they didn't have cases. I don't know how that's gonna work.
It's scary though, cause it's starting to hit home to people we know. Take it serious, y'all.
Please. And watch funny stuff.
Yeah, stay encouraged. Positive movies and funny movies. We watched a movie. It was so dumb yesterday.
It was good.
It was a good movie. It just was dumb. Coffee and Kareem.
It was funny though.
It was so stupid.
It was just corny.
Yeah. But I laughed. Taraji, old boy from Hangover, and a few YouTube comedians was on there too.
I don't know his name.
It was funny. Funny. I know how to make up stuff. Make up my own song.
That's good.
I'm gonna start producing. Produce you a song. A little R&B or rap.
Hip hop.
Oh, okay. That was up. You gonna do like the vocals and a little rap. That'll work. That'll work. That will work. Well, did you put some 2 times spice in?
Put like 1 drip.
1 drip. Came through. 1 drip.
Did we establish the difference between this one and the other one? This one got, you know how a little noodle flavor. Not chicken noodle. The other one just hot. The black one just hot.
Yeah, that's chicken. This ain't chicken flavor.
Oh, that's why.
I think, like you said, the black one is just hot. That's 2 times spicy chicken flavor.
2 times spicy.
Shoot. What's your prediction for the summer? Think it's thrown away?
Nobody going nowhere. The curve ain't gonna be flat until June-ish.
DP them cancel their family reunion.
Mine cancel too.
It's bad out in these streets.
That's why people still out doing what they normally do, out smoking together.
Sharing blunts.
In a group. It's got to be the dumbest thing ever.
Cuz cats be having these ghetto theories.
During the COVID.
Man, cannabis killed that virus.
No. Not the virus. At this point in time, you need to buy your own.
Yep.
Just saying if that's what you do.
If y'all gonna have a session, BYOB, bring your own blunt.
And then people, you still can't throw no card party either. You throwing a card party, that defeated the purpose. But it ain't just us, because if you pass by all the parks, people sitting in a circle 6 feet apart, living their life. Yeah. I'm like, sir, ma'am, and then they playing golf all together.
They playing golf big time. We done got some good 70-degree weather here this week. People just stay at home.
I'm like, what y'all doing? This ain't a vacation.
That's what they think it is. It's like, do you realize why we're at home?
Right. Went down the wrong pipe.
Yeah, got you.
The little nacho chip.
Nacho chip. Nacho chip.
Can't do it.
You can do the moves. You like restricted from everything. It's hot, huh? You put too much on there.
It's when it touch my lip. I can deal with the tongue part being hot. It's when it touch my lip.
Hot. Too hot to try. I don't know what I'm gonna do once we release.
Me either.
Fully. We had 2 trips canceled. Your trip and my trip.
Family reunion?
Reunion.
Family trip?
I was supposed to be going to Denver this Thursday. And you were supposed to go to Memphis last week.
Mm-hmm. Cancel. And then it's like we wasn't even going to cancel it at first. It was just like, oh, it ain't going to be that bad.
Yeah. There was another election council too. I forgot what state. It was today. It was supposed to be today. Postponed. I really think they're gonna just mail everybody a ballot.
That'll work.
For the August primary.
That'll work for me. Check.
We rocking our black because we want to go back to Black History Month because it's like better than March. Yeah.
I've been seeing everybody little memories of like the toilet paper aisle, Throwback Thursday when it was full. Lysol, can't nobody find Lysol. And if y'all check my last couponing video out,
and when nobody even thinking about hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer used to always be on deck.
Always, and I walked past it so many times in Dollar Tree. I was like, I feel like the week before, when was that? March 13th, worst day. The week before that, or that Monday, I walked right past hand sanitizer. I was like, it was just $1. Why you just ain't grab it? But yeah.
Any of y'all stimulus check hit? Today the 6th.
I didn't even know.
Yeah. I said between the 6th and the 13th.
Oh, for real? Oh, it's real. Real. You know how people tell you stuff, you be like, we'll see. And then when y'all get y'all check, don't run to the store. You can't go nowhere but Target and Walmart.
Yeah. You might as well sit on that.
Sit on it or pay your bills. If you can pay your bills, sit on it.
Or pay a bill early.
That's what you should do. Pay a bill early. Pay down your credit card bill.
Yeah.
That's you that maxed out because you done had to run and buy pandemic groceries.
Right.
That you ain't gonna never eat. You do not need 35 canned goods.
We've been slacking on our dose of positivity. So she's going to give something positive, and I'm going to give something positive.
You can go first.
My dose of positivity today. Every day while we at home and thereafter, set aside 20 minutes. 20 minutes to feed your brain on something that you didn't know. Mm-hmm. So find you a book. Look something up. I want every week for you to have a theme of what you want to learn. For example, finance, spirituality, communication, business. Every week have a theme of things that you're going to learn about. So you keep it broad with those categories. And then throughout that whole week, you find an article, a book, a chapter in a book, and then move on to the next thing. And then at the end of the month, you kind of reflect on everything that you fed your brain about. So feed your brain once a day for 20 minutes.
Meditate.
Why?
To get your mind off of it. Everything that we going through. Everybody not taking it the same. Everybody can't be positive. So meditate, do breathing exercises, yoga, exercise too, but do those type of meditation.
So take care of yourself, self-care. Mm-hmm. Do something for self-care, but also feed your brain and become one with yourself. With that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram. And check out our other videos that we have posted because you ain't got nothing but time. Because you're working from home.
Go ahead and go back while you working and just play it in the background.
Yeah, just pull up the playlist. Mm-hmm. With that being said, man, we appreciate y'all joining in for Taco Tuesday. We up out this thing.